So what is going on? I want to welcome you back for part 4. This is the final part of our trip to Pipestone, Montana, back on the week of Labor Day, 2025. This was the 7th annual Northwest Can-Am Maverick Trail Meet. What a great location. What a great place. It didn't quite work out like we'd hoped. I'd mentioned in the first video that we'd planned to all stay in the Pipestone RV park that's just down the road. But it wasn't quite open and ready for business just yet. So we had to all change our plans a little bit and all ended up dry camping. And, it turned out okay. If there was water available down the road, ice available down the road. If you needed to, you could down the road and dump your black tanks. And we all kind of made it work. But it was a great trip, great location. I've said it in almost every video so far in this series that we want to go back. We really enjoyed it. Part 4, this day turned out to be one of my favorites. There's a really cool tunnel that you go through to go underneath the freeway. Some really neat kind of obscure out in the outer edges of the area kind of trails, and it just turned out to be a really great day. It was a good end to a great trip. But yeah, let's get started on part 4.
Okay, we are literally stuck on the top of this, and neither one of us can get out.
I'm gonna pull ahead of you.
Yeah, and pull us out.
I can just get some weight on the front.
We should rock back and forth.
I can't. My tires are all off
with your body. Come on, let's do this. If he just winches onto the front and then slowly pulls us, yeah.
Oh! Trying to hang himself.
It's on.
That was fun.
That sucks.
I was all like, you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it. Will you let me out? And then he just goes. I'm like, okay, thanks. All right, I can get the gate.
to thank the Old Buzzard Dan Plute for planning and executing another amazing Maverick Trail Meet. This place is everything that he said it was. He made a lot of promises about this place, and they were all legit. This place was fun. One of the best, really. This was just magnificent. Yeah, big thanks to Dan. I want to big thanks to the ride leaders and tail gunners that stepped up to keep everything moving, and thank everybody for showing up, those that did. I mean, dry camping, not everybody's able to do it. And it does make things, it's a little more difficult when you're spending a week, well, almost a week, dry camping. And yeah, everybody that came, we appreciate it. We have just an amazing group of people. And if you want to find out more about events like this, there is a Facebook page. It's a Can-Am Maverick Trail. This is where all the events get posted. This is where all of this stuff is discussed. And yeah, so if you want to know more about what happens and how these things happen, you can check that out. But yeah, just thanks everybody for coming. And thanks you guys for watching too. This has been a lot of fun to share it with you.
Lord, I wish I knew 20 years ago, so before I went blue. I've been waiting for someone to cut me loose. I didn't recognize those sad-eyed eyes all along. I was you. I've been kicking the can way too long now. I've been kicking the can way too long now. Peace, say hello to heaven. Searching for the boy I once outgrew. Those days when everything went to 11, I can honestly say I cried the day that Chris Cornell died. And I've been kicking the can way too long now. I've been kicking the can way too long now. Lord, I wish I knew 20 years ago or so before I went blue. I've been waiting for someone to cut me loose. I didn't recognize those sad eyes all along. I was you, those sad eyes. Some say real men don't cry, so why the hell do I? I've been kicking the can way too long now. I've been kicking the can way too long now. I've been kicking the can way too long now. Lord, I wish I knew 20 years ago or so before I went blue. I've been waiting for someone to cut me loose. I didn't recognize those sad eyes all along. I was you. I didn't recognize those sad eyes all along. I was you. Those sad eyes. Some say real men don't cry, so why the hell do I?